I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your phone number on Saxo Bank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Saxo Bank account using your credentials. This is the first step to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Settings section in the menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile Settings, look for the Contact Information or Personal Details tab. This is where you can update your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues. Note, if you accidentally enter the wrong number, you might miss important notifications or alerts. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the AceRock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You've successfully changed your phone number on Saxo Bank. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for assistance.